G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo Warm Chica to another ripper of an episode. Today we're going to talk about the cost of doing works. I get asked quite a lot on how much should it cost me be doing a reno, an extension, is there room for error, do we need a contingency sum, what about variations? Well, all of those will be spoken about throughout all of my videos, but today is particularly fixing up existing areas. We've got doors that are just about to stick into place. Now these are brand new doors and they're semi-solid. We're also going to be sticking them into an existing door jamb. We've put new floors in certain places, we're going to have carpets in. Each one of these things contribute to the amount of time we spend in fixing and doing things up. If you look just here, you can see that we've got two pieces of timber for a door jamb. Now, this doorstop covers over the top of it, and these are separate pieces. I know what you're asking yourself, Uncle Jojo, why are you showing me that? It doesn't really matter. Well, it does. It matters big time. If we're fixing up things like this, it takes a lot longer to fix up two pieces of timber, keep them flat, keep them level, and make sure that they're the same heights and everything blends in correctly. Door stops, if one of these pieces of timber moves, then the door stop will move. That means that the door, when it closes, won't have a nice gap all the way around. And if you haven't seen it before, check out my videos on hanging doors. The next thing is the door itself needs to be hung. So the hinge holes are already there. I have to suit those. And it's around the entire house. Each one of these things is going to cost an extra sum of time. It would have been easier for me to have pulled off all of these door jambs and just to replace those door jambs. But me being me knows that the timber door jamb is, especially old hardwood like this, is really hard to come by, of great quality. So we want to try and reuse and rejuvenate those timbers wherever we can when we're doing a build. So the next time you're saying to yourself, is my builder taking too long? Why is my builder always talking to me about additional works? Well, these are the kind of things that we always come up with whenever we're doing a reno or extension. Having to blend in the old with the new is a really big skill, and it's something worth working on. If you've got any questions or queries about that, flick them over. I'll answer them for you best I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peels. I'll see you in the soup.